Welcome to Campers RV Center, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our inventory. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with LED exterior lighting, outside kitchen refrigerator, full walk-on roof, quad slides, backup camera ready, outside grill prep with LP hookup, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, bunkhouse with loft, 2 ACs, 3-burner cooktop, freestanding table with chairs, microwave, large counter area, underbed storage, TV hookup in bedroom, large shower with corner seat, residential refrigerator, theater seating, oven, battery disconnect, trifold sofa sleeper, bedroom chest with drawers, kitchen island, kitchen pantry, king-size bed, ceiling fan, large kitchen sink, living room fireplace, electric awnings with LED lights, electric auto leveling, and much more. For more than 30 years, Campers RV Center has been helping our friends and neighbors find the perfect RV for their adventures. Our staff of knowledgeable and friendly RV enthusiasts is focused on fulfilling your dreams so you can take home the RV that is just right for you. We also have a wide variety of financing options to meet almost every customer's needs. So come see us today. Campers RV Center. The fun life starts here.